Hello YouTube, just got your little package in the mail. Let's open it up and see what it is. Okay, it's the installation kit that I need to install an amp in my Grand Marquis. It comes with the main power wire, ground, switch. Also comes with the RCA cables that hook from the receiver to the amplifier. Basically, also has a fuse. Everything that you need to do and install it. Now, I went and I got the kit too because this is a big car, and I'm running an amp all the way to the trunk. And I seen on YouTube another guy with a Grand Marquis, and he bought the kit 1, and it was short a couple of feet. So he had to extend some of these wires longer, and then he realized then he had to put the amp closer to the back seat of the car in order for the wires to reach. So I got the kit 2. Instead of 15 feet of wire, you get 20 feet. That's RCA jacks and all the wiring, grommets, and everything else. As you see right here, it comes with everything, including fuses, grommets, everything you need to have a professional connection. So this is something you gotta have. This along with an installation kit and a harness kit. I'm going to show a video of when I'm replacing this with an upgraded unit, hopefully by the end of this week. But I was waiting on this, and remember, if you got a larger long car, don't get the kit 1 because you'll be a couple of feet short. Get a kit 2. I know it's going to cost a few bucks extra, but it's worth it. Until next time, I'll see you.